Launching your online IT store is quick and hassle-free with VARStreet. You can have a fully functional e-commerce store ready to go. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. Step 1. Login and store setup. Start by logging into VARStreet's back office. Navigate to eCommerce, Store, Setup, and select your store name. Here, you can personalize your store by adding a logo, updating your contact details, and configuring your default settings for guest users. Step 2. Registration and user access. Decide who can register, individuals, businesses, or both. You can enable email validation or require admin approval before customers gain access. Additionally, set default shipping and payment methods to streamline the checkout process. Step 3. Catalog and pricing customization. Choose the default product catalog and pricing structure for guest users. Step 4. Search and display settings. Customize the way products appear on your store. Choose how many products display per page. Set sorting preferences, and decide whether to show out-of-stock items or zero-price products. You can also add custom labels for product pricing and availability. Step 5. Transaction and checkout preferences. Enable requests for quotes, RFQ, define guest checkout permissions, and configure approval workflows for discounts and payment terms. This ensures secure transactions and better control over your sales process. Step 6. Policies and notifications. Set up important merchant policies like terms and conditions, return policies, and privacy statements. You can also enable automated abandoned cart notifications to boost conversions and remind customers to complete their purchases. Step 7. Social and customer engagement. Enhance customer interaction by adding social media links, newsletter opt-ins, and customer messaging. You can also enable product reviews and ratings for a better shopping experience. And that's it. Your online IT store is now set up and ready to go live. If you need any help, contact VARStreet's onboarding team. Start selling today.